Dr. Darien joins us now again with a look at medical questions you're asking. This one's from Mateo T, and he's wondering, do I need to fast before all blood tests?
Great question, especially when we're getting blood tests. They're kind of like report cards. At least I feel that way. When you get your report, you want everything to be perfect.
And you always get an A.
And I'm trying, but not everyone is perfect. And also, most of them aren't because we're human. But when you're getting your blood test done, there are some that you certainly should be fasting before. For example, lipid panels when you're testing your cholesterol, anything associated with diabetes, whether that be diabetes in life or pregnancy. And also, for example, electrolytes. A complete metabolic profile is a common test that we do. You always want to talk to your provider before you get these tests done to know how long you need to fast, but remember, you can always drink water.
All right, your prescription for wellness.
It's cold outside, so I think we need to remind about some safety precautions when heating up or using that heating blanket. Many people don't realize they can pose some threats. So here are some simple tips that we all should remember when we're using those heating blankets. The first thing you should do is make sure that you know your risk, especially if you have a history of pregnancy, if you're currently pregnant, if you have a history of dementia, or someone that you're taking care of has a history of dementia, or if you have a history of diabetes or problems with your circulation. This can increase the risk of damage from or harm from the electric blanket. Also check it for damage, tears, burns, and other forms of damage. That is when you should get rid of that blanket. They should not be held onto your house for more than 10 years. Replacing old blankets is really important. And then looking to use alternatives, flannel, brush fabrics. And I think one extra alternative that you can do is use the heating blanket before you get in the bed. And so if you, I don't like leaving it on when you're going to sleep. I think that's not safe. Use it to heat up your bed, then take it off and then get in the bed. That might be a safe
Warm it up. Warm it up. You sleep better.
You just preheat your bed.
I saw some gnarly pictures recently on social media of people who said that they had slept and forgotten about their heated blanket.
A really disfiguring rash that takes quite some time to get rid of, especially when you're falling asleep. And sometimes patients come in the emergency room with these complications and don't realize the dangers in heating blankets. So hopefully this helps.
That warning works for me. All right, guys, thank you very much. And folks, we would love to hear from you. So please hit us up on Instagram with all of your medical questions for Dr. Darien at ABC GMA3.